Gonzo. All right, I'm about to paddle out my first wave. Maybe, we'll see. In Florida, New Smyrna Inlet or the jetty.
And by the way, we could have brought the van right here.
Oh. My new board, 42-inch Wave Skater Bodyboard. Get the channels on that thing, or the grooves for your body and the channels in the back. Pelican speaks. Pelican files. You're beautiful. Woo! Any wisdom? Surf waves! Share the Stoke! Thank you. Here's my friend Gonzo, the Renaissance man. My host here on Florida, from the Gulf Coast to the East Coast.
That's right. Don't forget it.
Two homies.
Sponsored by Team Joe.
Oh yeah. Never too old. Age is but a number. Get out there. Small waves can be so fun. Get yourself one of these. Woo!